Hi, I'm Matt Joyner. Today I want to talk with you about one of the biggest mistakes business owners make, and that is having fractional or minority ownership in their business. You know, the writer once said that hell is other people, and that can be most true in ownership of a business. What most business owners don't realize is when they allow in small owners into their business and they retain majority ownership, that they then own fiduciary duties to the minority owners. That means they have a duty to look after the interest of the small percentage owner before they look out after their own interest, which was not what they had in mind when they let those people into the ownership. Commonly, there are two scenarios with minority ownership in businesses. First, investors. Often a business owner starting a business seeks capital from friends and family, and in exchange for a small percent ownership of the business, gets some of their money to help them get the business going. In doing so, they've brought somebody into the business that can gum up the operations or, most importantly, interfere with the sale of a business. The way to protect against this situation is either in the shareholders' agreement of a corporation or the operating agreement of an LLC to have what's known as a drag-along provision, whereby the owner of the company has the right to drag along the fractional owners, that is, make them sell when the owner wants to sell. That way, the fractional owners can't impede the sale of the business or hold the owner over a barrel. The second scenario is with regard to employees. Now, entrepreneurs make the mistake of all of us of thinking that everybody thinks the way we do. Entrepreneurs think in terms of ownership. And they think that the best way to incent their employees is to give them some ownership in the business, because that's what they'd like. What most business owners don't realize is that their employees don't think the way they do. If employees wanted to be business owners, they would be business owners. Instead, what most employees want is to be a well-compensated employee, and giving them a small ownership interest frequently can be a disincentive to them when they learn they have to pay tax on it, or they learn that they have to execute a personal guarantee of the company debt to the bank. What is more effective is to do three things. First, pay your employees well. Second, give them an annual bonus that's tied to the performance of the company, and that way align their objectives with those of the company. And third, consider giving them a change in control bonus so that they're aligned with the ultimate goal of the company in selling. They get a percentage of the gross sale amount, but they're not an owner and can't gum up the sale process. If you as a business owner follow these suggestions with regard to drag-along provisions for investors and changing control bonus for employees, you'll be able to conduct your business freely the way you see fit, and most importantly, sell the business when it's right for you. Thanks for watching. I'm Matt Joyner, and if you found this video helpful, I hope you'll look at my others.
If you need legal advice for your business in North Carolina, call Matt, send him an email, or connect with him on LinkedIn.